दाखवलं नाही ॲक्च्युली थोडं सिमेंट होतं की सांग ते टेलिफोन यूज करताना ते राऊंड काय हे असा कळ्या पाईप घेऊन मारसा कळ्या आणि पाईपाचं 3 तुकडे आलसा सगळं सांगलं राऊंड राऊंड पाईप मिळता कळ्या पाईपात तुकडे मिळता बरे वेळ असं का तसलं माणूस एक मनीस मरू झाला ॲक्च्युली नशीब की तो मनीस मेलना कळ्या आता पळत तुम्ही दाखवलं ते 3 तुकडे आता तुम्हीच पळते वेळ पळे आणि हे वेळा तो मनीस कसं जिवंत उरला म्हणून पळतोच पळे काय आता आमची दुश्मनी कोणावरच ना आम्ही येता काम करता वयता आम्ही रडीचे आणि आमचं एमपी म्हणून दुश्मनी ना तेमची शाप केन्ना येता बरें करून आसा आणि आम्ही सगळं चवता कळ्या आणि हेत अशी जाल्यार आमी रावतले कशें सांग पळया आमकां काय हक्क जाता नाल्यार कोणी प्रोटेक्शन दिता काय ना आम्ही इले काम केले मेले गेले जाले ते वेगळे कोण आमकां सपोर्ट करता सांग पळया
Around 11:30 p.m. I got a call from my staff who are working in the port railway cabin. He has reported that while he was on duty, some miscreants all of a sudden entered the cabin and hit him from behind. Suddenly, all of a sudden, it was an unexpected attack, and before he could realize what was happening, this person vanished from the scene. Subsequently, the information was given to the station, and I, along with my other staff, took the employee to the Chikalim hospital, and further they have directed us to GMC hospital for detailed checkup and further treatment.
Previous anything incident happened like that?
There were some incidents of stones being thrown at the staff who are going to the port for railway duty. There were many complaints in this regard actually.
What will be the reason you think?
Actually, we can't make out why somebody should do this kind of things. It's quite unprovoked and there is no reason for doing such a thing. I don't know whether miscreants wants to misuse the premises if there are nobody available in that cabin.